Okay, today we're going to start working with concentrate. Hopefully it will help you um, maintain your focus a little better and reduce the amount of time you spend working on the computer, thus giving you more time to do fun stuff. All right, so let's get to it. Applications in your Finder, then under Applications you'll find Concentrate. Okay, it's the nice orange there. So once you click on Concentrate, this little box is going to come up. They've got an example where they've created some blocking activities in there. But first thing we need to do is set up the preferences for ourselves. So if you go to Concentrate and inside Preferences, this box pops up. Okay, and so there are some general things here. Show concentrate in the menu bar, we want to do that. We want to have the timer for sure. We also want to have the activity name because we're going to set up some different activities. We'll leave it in the dock. You can play around with what you want it to sound like when it's done. I don't know, whatever you like. I like that, that sounds fine. But that's good, okay? The important thing is this groups. Inside the groups, you're going to be able to, in one fell swoop, block lots of things or keep lots of things from distracting you. So for example, they've got domain groups here and they've got some general kind of things. I don't know if those are going to apply to most of you or not. If they do, fine. If not, you can delete them. It's up to you. Deleting them simply is by pushing the minus there, okay? You can also minus out the ones you don't like. So I may want to keep access to Wikipedia available. I can click that. So any of these that we put in here are eventually going to be blocked, which means they won't be accessible while working. Okay, so keep in mind what you have to do when you're doing some type of homework and that kind of thing. All right. So the social networks is the one that I know a lot of us have trouble with. I even have trouble with it. Okay, so you can see they've already got some of these listed in here. Okay, one that may be another bother to you would be possibly tumblr.com. You might want to add that one, okay? And that way you've got your full set here. And now what this does is it means just by putting social networks in there, you can block all of your social networks at once. And look at Tumblr, it knows. Okay, and then there's video sites, and you may have some other video sites you have in there. Application groups would be something maybe that you've got some applications on your computer that are distracting to you as well. So for me, for example, I might want to go down here and I want to add an application group, and I'm going to call this distractions. Okay, and inside distractions, I might want to put some different applications that make me not do what I'm supposed to do. Okay, so I put Automator in there. And I might put FaceTime in there, okay? And so these are going to be a group of programs or applications that I do not want to distract me. I don't want to be messing with those while I'm doing things like homework. That way I can get my homework done and not be distracted. Okay, so those are the preferences. We've got all our groups set up. We've got our general preferences set up, and now we're ready to go with Concentrate. That'll be in the next video. See you then.